Everyone wants to find the next Adani Power, stock that has created wealth in the past 5 years. Staggering return of 82% in the past 1 year and 975% in the past 5 years. But let's see how most people try and identify stocks for their portfolio. They either look at CNBC for their stock recommendations, or they know somebody who knows somebody else who gives them a guaranteed return tip from the stock market. That doesn't happen, by the way. Or they are part of a Telegram or a WhatsApp group which gives them stock tips. If you are going by these methods, all of this amounts to gambling. This is not investing. But in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to tell you about certain parameters, 7 stock parameters to be precise, through which you can create your own stock portfolio in the most simplest way possible. First things first, know your financial goal. See, if your financial goal is long-term in nature, if your risk appetite is high such that you are willing to take the hit of stock market correction for the next 3 to 5 years, then this video is for you. Then you should create an investment stock portfolio. Otherwise, there are other asset classes which are meant for you. Coming to the stock parameters that you should be looking at, I'm going to divide this video into 2 parts. The first one is going to concentrate on the financial strength of the portfolio, and the second one is going to focus on the valuation of the stock. So let's hit the fundamentals of the stock. Let's come down to the parameters now that you should be looking at. I'm going to divide the parameters into 2 parts. The first one is the financial strength and the second one is the valuation. Let's look at the financial strength first. Now, don't get bogged down by the fact that I'm going to talk about financials. I'm going to talk about 6 very specific parameters that you can easily find in the financials of a company. Now, there are multiple websites which list the financials of a company. These 6 parameters are very, very easy to find. Let's focus on the financial strength parameter. The number 1 parameter that you should be looking at is the top line growth. Top line मतलब company ने कितनी sales करी या कितना revenue कमाया. This top line growth should be continuous and positive in nature. Not just a one-time positive, but it should be continuously growing for the past many years. So अब अदानी जी की ही कंपनी का एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं. Let's look at the top line for Adani Power. So ये रहे कंपनी के profit and loss statement. We are looking at the financials for Adani Power Limited. So this is how you see the sales or the top line of a company. This is the profit and loss statement for the company. This is the first parameter that you should be concentrating on. See, यहाँ पर March 2015 से लेकर March 2026 की top line growth लिखी हुई है, and you can see that the company is beautifully growing its top line from 18,000 crore to 25,000 crore. यहाँ बीच में 2017 to 18 के अंदर जरूर एक dip आया था top line growth में, but after that regularly in each annual earnings report the company is declaring a higher top line. मतलब company के sales continuously year by year बढ़ रही है, which is a very important indicator for its growth. The second parameter that you should be looking at is the profitability of the company. Sales तो बढ़ रही है, मगर sales के साथ साथ क्या profitability बढ़ रही है? This is also very important. You should be looking at a company which should be growing its profitability year on year. तो देखते हैं अदानी पावर की net profitability. You can see that till 2020 the company was loss making in nature. Beyond that, from 21 to 26 it has beautifully converted in sales into profitability, and that to growing profitability, which is very important. Third parameter under financial strength that you should be looking at is the debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio means company ने कितनी debt या कितनी borrowing ली हुई है बाहर से, डिवाइडेड बाय कंपनी के अंदर कितनी इक्विटी है शेयर होल्डर्स की. नाउ कंपनीज का आइडल डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो बिटवीन 1 to 2 होना चाहिए. दिस मींस दैट द कंपनी इज टेकिंग एडिक्वेट अमाउंट ऑफ डेट इन ऑर्डर टू फ्यूल द ग्रोथ ऑफ द कंपनी. अगर डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो बहुत ज्यादा है, इट मींस दैट द कंपनी हैज हाई अमाउंट ऑफ डेट दैट इट हैज टू रीपे. सो अ कंपनी कुड हैव हाई चांसेस ऑफ गोइंग bankrupt if it does not have sufficient profitability. And too low of a debt to equity ratio means that the company is not taking adequate amount of finance in order to grow itself. Now, debt to equity ratio manufacturing companies के लिए या airline sector के लिए या फिर banking sector के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है, because all of these companies are capital intensive in nature. For example, banks के ऊपर बहुत सारी fixed cost होती है in the form of its various retail branches. Similarly, service sector के लिए debt to equity ratio 1 या 1 से कम का भी हो सकता है. So it is important to see the debt to equity ratio of a company compared to its peers. So आते हैं अदानी पावर की debt to equity रेशियो पर, तो डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो कैन बी फाउंड अंडर द रेशियो सेक्शन। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि कंपनी का डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो इज एन एडिक्वेट 0.9 which is very very comfortable. The third parameter that you should be looking at is the market capitalization. Now market capitalization आप ideally 10,000 crore से ऊपर का रखिए. This ensures that you are eliminating the micro cap companies and the penny stocks जहाँ पर loss making या फिर bankruptcy के chances सबसे ज्यादा होते हैं. This ensures that you have a financially strong portfolio. The fourth parameter is the return to equity. Return to equity means what return is the company delivering per rupee of equity that an investor is putting into it. Now, I would want कि return on equity किसी company का 20% से ऊपर होना चाहिए. 20% ही क्यों? See, if I am having a portfolio of 20 to 25 different stocks और मुझे चाहिए कि इस stock portfolio से मुझे 20% से ऊपर के returns मिले, then I have to ensure that the company's return to equity is also above 20%. See, कंपनी का जो stock price growth है वो directly portfolio के return to equity को mirror करेगा. Let's see the return on equity for Adani Power for example. So आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं कंपनी ने अपना return to equity 20% से ऊपर का maintain करके रखा हुआ है after 2022. So I've covered sales, I've covered profitability, I've covered market capitalization, return to equity, and the final parameters is the operating cash flow. Operating cash flow. ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लो मतलब कंपनी अपने कोर बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज से पैसा कमा रही है या नहीं. इट इज एसेंशियल दैट योर ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लोज मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव. सो लेट्स लुक एट द ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लोज ओवर हियर. कंपनी के ऑपरेटिंग कैश फ्लोज 2021 के बाद कॉन्टिन्यूसली पॉजिटिव है. वंस यू हैव सैटिस्फाइड योरसेल्फ विद द फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द कंपनी, नेक्स्ट यू कम एट द वैल्यूएशन ऑफ द कंपनी. कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन सिंपल टर्म्स में ये बताती है कि आप पर रुपी ऑफ अर्निंग्स के लिए कितनी प्राइस दे रहे हैं कंपनी के लिए. इन सिंपल टर्म, कंपनी का स्टॉक कितना महंगा या कितना सस्ता है. सो डज अ ग्रेट कंपनी मीन दैट इट इज कमिंग एट अ ग्रेट प्राइस एज वेल? बिल्कुल नहीं. सी, वैल्यूएशन इज प्राइस डिवाइडेड बाय अर्निंग. न्यूमरेटर में प्राइस है, डिनोमिनेटर में अर्निंग्स है. तो आप अगर किसी ऐसी कंपनी के लिए जा रहे हैं जहां पर वैल्यूएशन बहुत ज्यादा है, यानी कि कंपनी का प्राइस ऑलरेडी ऊपर भाग गया, इसका ये मतलब है कि आप उस कंपनी के लिए बहुत हेवी प्राइस पे कर रहे हैं. कंपनी का स्टॉक प्राइस बहुत ऊपर चला गया है एंड सूनर और लेटर यू विल बी लुकिंग एट अ प्राइस करेक्शन. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू लुक एट कंपनीज विच आर कमिंग एट अ फेयर वैल्यूएशन or at an under valuation. Let's look at the price to earnings for this company. ये आ गए हम price to earnings पर. So you can see that the company is commanding a price to earnings of about 33 with a median PE of 24 है. यानी कंपनी का price to earnings अपने historical average से बहुत ऊपर है. This is true for the past 3 years. This is true for the past 5 years as well. That means कि valuation की terms में ये company overvalued है. You don't just have to look at the valuation compared to its median PE. You also have to look at the valuations in the industry. इंडस्ट्री में देखते हैं क्या बेटर प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स कंपनीज अवेलेबल है या नहीं. यस, अदानी पावर से बहुत कम प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स की बहुत सारी कंपनीज अवेलेबल है. एंड याद रखिए, फाइनेंशियल कंपनीज के लिए अ बेटर मैट्रिक्स इज प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू, नॉट प्राइस टू अर्निंग्स वैल्यू. आई विल शो यू दैट एज वेल फॉर एन एग्जांपल. लेट्स लुक एट द प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू फॉर ICICI बैंक. ये आ गए प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू पर. यू कैन सी दैट इन द पास्ट 1 year the company has a price to book value of about 2.7 with an average price to book value of 2.9. Last 5 years में भी price to book value, median price to book value से बहुत कम है. These are the kind of companies that you should be looking at purchasing in your stock portfolio. If you have looked at all of these 7 parameters in order to curate your stock portfolio, 99% of your job is done. What about the remaining 1%? That remaining 1% is diversification. Warren Buffett's #1 rule: never put all of your eggs in the same basket. That means don't just look at a single sector. Look at creating a stock portfolio with different sectors. Banking and financials, IT, pharmaceutical, healthcare, reality. इन सभी sectors के अंदर अपने portfolio को diversify करिए. And you don't have to make a long portfolio which is difficult to manage. A good portfolio should have between 20 to 25 stocks. This is sufficient number of stocks in order to diversify your portfolio. So this was our today's video on curating your own stock portfolio. If this made stock picking less scary for you, please do hit the subscribe button. It helps us a lot. I will be seeing you on more such relevant content in the future. This is Shalini Gera, Certified Financial Planner.